कैसे हो
Pretty
आप?
face I'm getting to see, यार. So lively and so happy you're looking.
ओह थैंक यू थैंक यू
हाँ,
थैंक
ये कैसे?
यू।
इतनी अच्छी एनर्जी आ रही है ना आपसे, आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे. आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग, आई वाज लाइक, अभी इफ्तार का टाइम हो रहा है 1-2 घंटे में. एंड
हाँ
आई एम जनरली माय लीस्ट एक्टिव एट दिस स्टेज. पर तेरी शक्ल
हाँ,
देख के
एक्चुअली
मैं इतना
ये
खुश
दो
लगता है.
घंटा ना ऐसे रहता है कि ये 2 घंटे कैसे कटे ना।
या बट आपको सच कहूँ, मेरे लिए खाने का इतना वो नहीं है. मेरे लिए सिर्फ वो है
हाँ
कि क्योंकि मेरा इफ्तार बहुत, इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल इफ्तार बिकॉज आई वर्क आउट इमीडिएटली आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग फास्ट. लाइक मैं अभी
ओह
7:15 को इफ्तार करूंगा एंड देन बाय 8 o'clock आई
हाँ
एम वर्किंग आउट, सो आई नीड टू ईट जस्ट एग्स,
लाइट।
वेरी लाइट.
हाँ,
तो मेरे लिए इफ्तार इतने मायने नहीं रहता, इट्स जस्ट द
so
वाटर
you
दैट.
are not into टिक्का एंड कबाब्स एंड एवरीथिंग इफ्तारी के टाइम पे?
ओके. So I used to be from Dubai. I don't know if you know this. I used to be from Dubai.
आई
Dubai.
नो ना, हमने कितनी बातें की थी फालूदा बनाते
ये कैसे अभी
वक्त।
बात करो, मेरे को भूख लग रही है, पता है तेरे को, मेरे पेट में दर्द होने लगा. आई नेवर गेट हंग्री.
नहीं 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 नहीं, नहीं करेंगे हमें।
No, 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 no.
सॉरी। हाँ
Dubai used to have the best iftars, man. Dubai used to have such lovely. Because see, the great thing about Dubai is that बहुत सारे अलग-अलग culture. Down the road from my house, there was a Lebanese restaurant which used to make these weird Lebanese rotis. ठीक है ना? फिर
हाँ
amazing, amazing. तू पागल हो जाएगी, बोलेगी क्या बना रहे? फिर एक दूसरी जगह से there was a Pakistani restaurant which used to make this one particular thing. तो जैसे हम लोग के पास आलू भजिया होता है ना, हम लोग का राउंड होता
हाँ हाँ
है. Right?
हाँ।
वो पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट नेम हाशिम रेस्टोरेंट, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, यूज्ड टू मेक आलू भजिया बट लंबे वाले, लाइक फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
ओके
एंड
ओके।
मेरे को भूख लग रही है यार.
अरे
बट
नहीं,
या
खाने की बात नहीं करते हैं, तो लेट्स इग्नोर।
हाय आरती.
आप बताइए। आई एम वेरी गुड एंड मुझे ये बताइए क्या रूटीन हो गया है एंड कितने बजे सोते हैं? इज इट कि आप जगते रहते हो 4 बजे तक?
या एक्चुअली मैं 5-6 बजे तक जगा रहता हूँ बिकॉज आई टेल यू द ट्रूथ. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट आई वेक अप एट 1 or 2 o'clock every day. I know it's bad, but this lockdown is meant for me. It's me time.
बट
So
हाँ, एक्चुअली रमजान में सर्कल थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है
नहीं, but देखो
बिकॉज।
सच कहूँ, रमजान का होल पॉइंट है कि यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू स्लीप ड्यूरिंग योर फास्ट. दैट्स अ शॉर्टकट इजी वे आउट ना. तूने
अच्छा।
तो एक सिंपल चीज बोलूं, व्हाट इज रमजान अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस
हाँ
इस्लामिक स्कॉलर ऑन दैट, बट माय
हाँ
परसेप्शन ऑफ इस्लाम, व्हाट आई गैदर इज दैट इस्लाम इज अबाउट योर विल पावर. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फूड,
हाँ
इट्स नॉट अबाउट वाटर, इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्पेसिफिकली वन थिंग, इट्स अबाउट कंट्रोलिंग योर विल पावर. तो अभी आप अगर सो रहे हो
हाँ
तो आपका टेस्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है ना, आपको भूख नहीं लग रही है, आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा,
हाँ।
तो आप छोड़ दो.
आपने पॉज बटन दबा दिया।
So I actually, believe it or not, I really look forward to Ramadan because when I come out of it now, I feel I'm a little
हाँ
stronger as a person. It always reminds me that I can do things that you know are not possible. तो मेरे को वैसे अच्छा लगता है. तो मेरा रूटीन हमेशा वो है. But मैं 12 बजे तक I do my work, as in I read, I write. I mostly write nowadays. I'm writing a lot.
हम्म।
So I'm writing. I do my exercises. तो मेरे घर पे अगर तू जिम देखेगी ना, my God, man, I love it. I love it. I love my.
कैन यू शो अस?
देखो सच कुछ नहीं है. मैं देखो मेरा एक इक्विपमेंट दिखाऊंगा, मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था,
हाँ
बताऊंगा. वो इक्विपमेंट की वजह से मेरा पूरा चीज ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया. I'll show you.
हाँ। एक सेकेंड ना, पति प्लीज गैस कुकर बंद कर दो। एक सीटी और दाल की हो जाने दो। यस, कबीर का रोल बहुत अच्छा था एंड ही इज सो इंटेंस एक्टर।
So, dumbbells में देखो, sorry.
हम्म।
I'm not going to show you the dumbbells. They look like regular dumbbells. I've got a pair of dumbbells, 2 dumbbells. Yeah, that's पीक करो. इसको लाइट पीक करो.
हाँ 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 नहीं नहीं,
लाइट
बोलिए।
नहीं है. कहाँ पर लाइट नहीं है? मेरा लाइट नहीं है.
अरे why is Raj calling?
यार बैक टू बैक एक सेकेंड।
अदनान को फोन करूं?
राज फोन कर रहा था बार बार। तो बात हुई अदनान से, इनका लाइव चालू है भाई।
Yeah. No, because I messaged him, मेरे को
हाँ।
funny दिख रहा था। तेरा
हाँ।
आखिर थोड़ा सा वो can you hear me now in real time? तेरा क्रैक हो रहा है थोड़ा। Hello.
हाँ, I can hear you.
Okay, sweet. So dumbbells मैं नहीं दिखाने वाला हूँ, देखो। I'm not going to show you dumbbells. They look
हाँ।
like regular dumbbells. This,
हाँ
you see this? You know,
हाँ।
it's a resistance band. So Suhail Khan is someone I know and respect a lot, and I really look up to him in my gym, and he always advises me and guides me. So he told me about this. He said, if you have one of these, your gym is done. Now, last thing, my favorite, which ये creativity की वजह से हुआ, यानी मैं बैठ के सोच रहा था मेरा workout पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Because मैं एक equipment miss कर रहा हूँ. So
this.
I swear to God, Aarti, I'm not messing with you. This gives you so much, man. This one thing, this small bathroom stool, gives you so much, man. My gym workout is happening now. I swear I'm not joking with you. मैं इस पे abs करता हूँ, chest करता हूँ, legs करता हूँ. I do crazy stuff with it. Because what's happened is that creative, you have to become creative. Because कुछ है नहीं. मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 dumbbells and एक rubber band है अगर देखा जाए तो. There is no option, and I love. अभी देख time है. I'm giving myself time. Like you know, I'm pretty
And,
sure
you
that
needed
you're
time,
giving yourself
yaar.
time.
हाँ.
Yeah, you could say. You know the weird thing about that is, I did. You're very right. I did. But 3 साल आरती इतना busy था ना मैं. I've never been this busy in my life. Right? So, I stopped spending time with myself. You know what I mean? I forgot who I was. I used to discuss this with Ashutosh, who plays Imran in my show, and I used to discuss this with Isha sometimes. That why do I feel like I'm negative? I was very positive before I got the show. You know, what happened? To me? What changed my mindset? And I guess because of exhaustion and इतना ये ने हम लोग 5-5 घंटे रोज सोते 30-30 दिन काम करते. We're working hard. I'm not saying we're the hardest workers.
And set पे भी I can see आप लोग makeup room में जाते ही नहीं थे. It was just break, so it was like और makeup room में भी like खाना खाओ and वहीं पे खत्म.
But आती देखो एक बात बोलूं, मैं ये हकीकत बता रहा हूँ तुझे. जब मजा आता है ना, वीजी के साथ कर रहे थे, आशीष सर के साथ कर रहे थे, रोहित सर के साथ कर रहे थे, विद्या सर, माय ऑसम सर, जब अच्छा काम करते ना, तेरी कसम खा रहा हूँ आरती, I swear to God, you make me work 24 hours on good work, no, कर लूँगा. रूम में जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. रूम में जाने की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? जब सीन थोड़ा बोरिंग है या मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Then your focus goes on how tired you are. But when you're having fun, oh man, there's nothing like it.
But how much are you missing the show? In fact, कई बार खबरें भी आती थी, अदनान शो छोड़ रहा है. So क्या रीजन होता था अदनान? Were you really like feeling कि आपका पहला शो है, इतना बड़ा शो हिट हुआ है? So क्या लगता है मतलब आपको कि कई बार अभी वापस खबरें आ रही थी कि अदनान is not going to continue the show, इश्क सुभान अल्लाह, ये क्यों आता है बार-बार?
ये some of it is based off true things because I have look, Aarti, money is great. I'm not going to lie. The money is excellent. It is more than I could ever dream of. It is more than I ever need. That's the truth. The money is that great. The fame, the popularity, the fans. Our fans have been incredible, you know. But I didn't do it for all of this. I didn't do it for the fans. I didn't do it for the money. I was making decent money back home in Dubai. I was making decent change. And I'm not going to say I've been this popular. Right now. But I've always been a popular child. In school, I was popular. I was good at athletics. I was a good basketball player. I looked decent. I could talk. So these things are side benefits, right? For me, the reason I did it was because of a feeling. I keep saying this. I don't know if you've heard my previous interviews, but you know how I decided to become an actor? Because I saw a movie called 7 Pounds. And it made me feel something. Like it moved me. You know, like it made me feel... Not... It's the movie sad, but it's not... The emotion sad, but it made me feel for those 2.5 hours or whatever, it made me feel something beautiful. So that's the reason I took up acting, and that's the reason I write. That's the reason I want to make films, inshallah, one day in the future. So, abhi, as of late, mere liye personally, what happened was I discussed this with the channel, and they said we'll work on it with a solution. So nothing is finalized yet. But what I told them was that I sat down with the creative team this time, and I said for me as a character, जो emotional quotients होते हैं, like a petrol tank, right? Kabir has exhausted those emotional quotients, right?
Yeah.
So either we, I told them, nothing wrong with the writing. Please don't misunderstand. This is what I'm trying to tell the whole world. If you bring in any other actor, वो बहुत खुशी करेगा. He'll be very happy. He'll give the same enthusiasm or more. But for me, because I've done a lot of it, so I discussed with the writers and the channel, and they said we'll work something out. If we can't, we'll call it raps. If we can, we'll work something out. So nothing is decided as of yet. They are, and especially because of the lockdown, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. But हाँ, ये some of the rumors were true at that time, and the channel is amazing. The channel is so amazing. You can sit and actually tell them stuff like this. Like, guys, the truth is that I don't want more money. I don't want a house or all of that. I need to enjoy my work again. And right now I'm not enjoying because I've done somewhat similar tracks, you know. Aarti, I put everything in that love story. Kabir Pyara Wali love story. For Kabir, I gave it my all. So maybe exhaustion also could have played a vital part. Maybe I was just tired, you know. I was very exhausted. And तेरे को पता है मैं 2 साल में maximum मैंने सिर्फ 3 दिन छुट्टी. In 2 years, the maximum.
I know.
I didn't take offs, right? So, yeah, some of the things you've heard are relatively true, but पूरी खबर बाहर नहीं आती है, वो थोड़ी बहुत आ जाती है. But the truth is what I've told you.
But इसके बाद क्या planning है? Because obviously जब इंसान कोई एक step छोड़ता है, तो वो सोचता है कि वो कुछ और भी आगे करे. And बिना आगे की planning किए वो ये काम तो नहीं छोड़ सकता. So what are you willing to do आगे अब? And you are writer also.
Yeah. So, देखो पता है, I am the busiest. I can proudly and boldly say I am the busiest unemployed actor on the planet. I am the busiest because my future excites me so much, so much. You have no idea. It scares me. Half the time it scares the crap out of me. 90% of the time I'm going through a phase where I'm telling myself you can't do it. But 10% of the time when I imagine the feeling of what it would be like to do all those things. Like right now I'm working on a script and it's turning out beautiful. Like I don't know, I just love it, man. I think, ये अपनी खुद की तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार. देख 6 साल से same script लिख रहा हूँ, alright?
हाँ, I know that.
But अभी क्या change हुआ ना? I started writing for myself. I started writing for, तो पहले I was writing for production houses. What I would do was, I'll just tell you something small. So I finished my script, my story. And I took it to a lot of production houses. A lot of production houses, some of them that liked the story, said, we don't like this part, we need to change this, you need to change that, you need to change that. So, with a very, very renowned and big production house, the deal ho chuki. They said, ending change karo, climax mein ye mere ko aisa nahi chahiye, aisa chahiye, because it needs to be so and so. So मैंने उस इंसान के लिए change किया, पर वो deal fell apart. When I went to sign the contract on Eden, he was handing me over the check for the script. We discussed about casting. Because up until that point, I knew, I didn't know when are you supposed to discuss casting या क्या sign. मेरे को ये सब नहीं पता था. So he said, no, you can't. Casting is not related to you. I said, no, but I want to act in this. And no, you can't do that. I'm sorry, because we can't market you, which is understandable. So the deal fell apart and I left the script. ये 4 साल के बाद ये कहानी 4 साल हो गई and ये script मैंने छोड़ दिया. फिर last year क्या हुआ? मैंने God's very kind to me. Okay, I am God's soft favorite तो नहीं बोलूँगा, but he has a soft corner for me. Okay, he really takes care of me. So what happened was I was just sitting one day randomly set पे सुभानअल्लाह की set पे, and I was like यार देख ये 12 घंटे मैं इधर दे रहा हूँ correct, but बाकी के 12 घंटे मैं 8 घंटे सो रहा हूँ, 1 घंटा वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, बाकी के 3 घंटे कहाँ जा रहे हैं मेरे? लंच ब्रेक में टाइम पास कर देता हूँ, आधा घंटा चले जाता है, ट्रैवलिंग में 2 घंटा, तो I'm not doing anything with that time. And if you logically look at it, there is no time. But what I started doing was every time I got like half an hour, 1 hour, or maybe a day off, I said, let me write this story, the same story of what now Adnan would like to see. If Adnan was a producer and Adnan had 100 crores, no budget issues, and he wanted to see a film, what would the film be like? What would make Adnan happy? And man, 3 days ago, Alright?
हाँ
House यार, very pretty house.
थैंक
इसलिए तू
यू।
खुश रहती है हमेशा यार. Look at your smile.
नहीं, my house is very spacious. Like
And it's very
I don't like to
beautiful.
live.
It's very beautiful. जितना छोटा मुझे दिखा एक पीछे स्टैचू है तेरा, तेरे लेफ्ट पे.
हाँ
Cute and then nice house. Okay, sorry. So 3 days ago, you know what
Yes.
happened? I mentioned earlier in another interview, something happened. Basically, a project that I'd been working on for a very, very long time didn't work out. Okay, another project. I was working on it for a very long time, 2 years, and I was heartbroken. Now I was proper heartbroken. I was heartbroken, like I was like really, really bad, yeah, like really messed up and breaking down everywhere. जब कोई घर में नहीं रहता, घर में कोई है नहीं वैसे. अगर मैं बाहर bread लेने जाऊँ, and मेरा bread लिया and I turned around and मुझे कुछ याद आ गया, मैं रोने लग रहा हूँ. Imagine in the middle of the road. Jesus Christ, yeah, it was really bad. I was heartbroken. I was literally heartbroken. But the great thing is that I had my writing, so I just kept writing.
हाँ
And 3 days ago, I finished writing a scene and आरती तेरी कसम खा रहा हूँ. मैंने सीन खत्म किया, मैंने iPad सेव दबाया, बंद किया, ऐसा नीचे रखा, and I'm only sitting in my shorts, because it's a little hot in my house. I don't wear my shirt. So I'm just sitting in my shorts, and I did a run for like 30 seconds in my house. तेरी कसम खा रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने बोला कि वाह क्या
in
scene
the
किया.
happiness.
या किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. मैं अकेला था, but मैंने बंद किया, and I'm kicking air. Wow. I'm looking in the mirror. I'm like you. I did it for 30 seconds. So that emotion was real. It was very real. There was no intoxication. I wasn't drinking, no drugs, no cigarettes, none of that. It was just I finished a writing session, and मेरे को अच्छा लगा, and yeah, I was going crazy. So that helped me through this entire rejection. Now I'm back. I feel like I'm writing again for myself, and it's one of the best feelings in the world, man.
So post lockdown there will be lots of meetings and we will be seeing कि काम चालू हो रहा है जल्दी and इंशाल्लाह प्रोजेक्ट भी चालू हो जाएगा.
Inshallah.
Yes.
So
Okay, tell me यहाँ पे हाँ बोलिए.
मुझे पता नहीं if I'm more excited about it starting. Right now, all I know is that it starts, it doesn't start, it works, it doesn't work. All I know is right now, it's making me feel something pure. What I'm feeling is not a lie. It's very pure. There's no मैंने किसी को खराब नहीं किया ये करने के लिए. मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, and उसका reward है एक emotion. It's not money. It's not an award. Nobody's telling me anything. For all I know, this could be the worst script on the planet. You know, whatever. I love it. Maybe the world doesn't like it. That's a different story. But all I know is it's one of the most pure emotions I feel, man. It's incredible.
You put your heart and soul in.
I do.
So ये बताइए यहाँ पे आप अकेले and how is the life going? क्या schedule है? And how much are you missing Dubai? Because you could have gone Dubai now.
I could have. The truth is, I'm not missing Dubai. I'm not. I am exactly where I need to be. I don't miss. I love my friends. If anybody's watching, I'm not. I love my friends. My brother's there. My heart, my rock. I've spent like my entire childhood there, right? So as you're saying, everyone's there. I love them to death. I miss them. I video call them, as a matter of fact, which is a cool thing. I want to talk to you about, and I want to talk about anyone listening. But I don't miss them. I'm exactly where I need to be. I love where I am. Now back to the point of this video call. So what happened was during this lockdown, जब शुरू हुआ था ना शुरुआत में, तो बहुत excitement था. सब everyone was trying to get in touch with everyone. And video calls हो रहे थे, and वो कोई एक ऐप डाउनलोड किया था, अभी डिलीट कर दिया, फिर Zoom डाउनलोड किया, House Party.
Zoom, हाँ.
House Party and Zoom, and everyone's on.
House Party was like बीच में rumors आ गए थे कि it was very fake and काफी कुछ हो रहा था.
Hack हो रहे थे, so even I deleted it. And then what happened was about 1 month went by, and then I think the lockdown started wearing on people, and the excitement ran out. So people went back to their own lives, getting bored, Netflix, movies, some having fun. A lot of people have. So what I did was I started having fun again on my own. I started listening to music again. After I finished, so मेरा routine है ना बहुत superb routine है. I love my routine. So इफ्तार तक I do basic house cleaning. जो ज़्यादा effort नहीं लगाता. Listen, that I'm lazy. इफ्तार के time before इफ्तार I'm lazy.
नहीं, but if you are alone, it's okay. आप 2 दिन में एक बार झाड़ू पोछा करो या 3 दिन.
नहीं.
Because the house is already clean.
नहीं, but I can't. I'm very मैं नहीं करूँगा ना, मेरा if I don't do my productive things now, these markers, like if I don't work out, if I don't diet, if I don't do something productive, I get very weird. I start going into a very negative zone. I get very weird. Okay, I've not taken a rest day since I've started lockdown. How many days? It's been 45, 50 days. I've not taken one rest day from workouts. Obviously, everyone's thinking that we get enough time, but normally when we work out intensely.
No cheating?
No cheat. No cheat. I've not eaten chocolates in I think 45, 50 days. For sweets, what I do now is because I eat fruits. I eat a lot of fruits because मेरे
Yeah, that is good.
But मेरा routine बहुत set है ना, बहुत set है भाई. तू देखेगी ना तू ये क्यों भाग रहा है?
So what all things you cook? अगर diet है तो what all things you cook to have a healthy diet?
I'm very excited you're asking. I love talking about the stuff I'm cooking because the first half is, so iftar is very healthy, is extremely healthy. If you look at it, you might not eat it. It's just egg whites. It's just like 8 or 10 egg whites, no bread, nothing. And then maybe 3 or 4 dates and maybe a banana. All these things are very quick digestive, right? They're बहुत जल्दी. And then in 30 minutes I'm working out and I work out heavy. Once I finish my workout, I do पोछा because झाड़ू मैं सुबह में करता हूँ, पोछा मैं workout के बाद करता हूँ. पसीना बहुत गिरता है. तो पोछा मैं बाद में करता हूँ. फिर मैं अपना प्रोटीन शेक लूंगा, फिर मैं नमाज पढ़ूंगा ना. मैं नमाज जब पढ़ता हूँ ना आरती, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्रैक्टिस mindfulness during praying also. What's happened is that when normally itni muscle memory ho gayi na when I pray, I can close my eyes, think of something else and pray. Because I've been repeating these duas and this format and this process so many times, muscle memory ho gayi. दिमाग में चल रहा है कि भाई नमाज के बाद ये तलना है, वो तलना है, खाने के बाद करना है, which is wrong, right? So what I started doing these days, because there's a lot of time, I said, let me mindfully pray. Let me just concentrate on what I'm saying and pray. तो क्या होता है ना, I slow down. It lets me breathe. That prayer lets me breathe. Then I meditate for and उसके बाद I write for 2-3 hours रात के 1 बजे तक maximum, and then I eat my dinner. Again, dinner is very plain. हंसेगी तू, I buy plain पनीर, उसको मैं ऐसे ही खाता हूँ. बस पनीर को ऐसे ही खा लेता हूँ, कुछ तलना नहीं. हाँ, रॉ पनीर. फिर 3 घंटे बाद सहरी के टाइम 4 बजे, that is when I treat myself and I make a 3-course meal. Healthy stuff, but like I'll get like the multi-grain bread from like a really good bakery. I'll toast it. I love toasted bread. And then mom will give me something really healthy like keema or kofta. And then I'll make, depending on my creativity, I'll make a sandwich. Like I'll fry a keema sandwich with butter. Sorry, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, मुंह से पानी नहीं निकल रहा है. And then
आपको सुबह 4 बजे खाना अच्छा लगता है?
Yeah, sehri is the best. My sehri is the best because it allows me enough time to just eat. And then I eat a peanut butter sandwich. I have a chas, and yeah, it's pretty good. I love my routine, man. I love it. You should see. I get excited when I go to the fridge at 3:30 to start cooking. I'm jumping, like I'm talking to myself. Oh, what is that? Oh, and I said, I love it, man. Yeah.
And how much are you missing street foods? Because Ramzan, I know. आप माहिम के पास रहते हैं एंड माहिम दरगाह के पास जो लाइन लगती है, एंड आई हैव बीन देयर, एंड जिस तरह से लोग सेवैयां, इतनी सारी मीठी, मतलब इट्स एक्चुअली अ फीस्ट. आप रोज अगर शाम को निकलो तो वो इस लॉकडाउन में आप लोग कितना मिस कर रहे हैं. आई नो वी हैव नेवर बीन कैमरा के साथ बिकॉज यू वर लाइक कि नहीं कैमरा के साथ गए, बट आप पर्सनली कितना एंजॉय करते हो?
तो मोर देन माहिम, मुझे भूरी मोहल्ला पसंद है. माहिम का बाप भूरी मोहल्ला है इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड क्वालिटी. भूरी मोहल्ला, अगर आप भूरी मोहल्ला जाएंगे ना, जैसा माहिम आपने देखा ना, भूरी मोहल्ला में अगर आप इफ्तार के टाइम जाएंगे रमजान में, तो व्हाट द रेस्टोरेंट्स डू इज दे पुट दे से फॉर एग्जांपल दे हैव 50 डिशेस इन द मेन्यू, राइट? उन लोग क्या करते हैं, 50 के 50 डिशेस, हर डिश का एक बना के आपके सामने रखते, तो आप देख सकते हो कि वो डिश कैसा है, दिखता कैसे. So ये मोहल्ला is a bloody torture, man. इफ्तार तक, because you're passing by and there's like bloody 500 dishes all around you, and it is legit. Aarti, I'm a foodie. You can't mess with me in food. And in Bombay, I'll tell you 2 of the things. There's one thing called Baba Special Juice, जो भोरी वाला में मिलता है. Oh my god, it is so good. It's so good. It's mango, watermelon, and milk and something. I don't know what he does. So that's Baba Special Juice. Then there's Taj ice cream wala. जो 120 साल से आइसक्रीम बना रहा है एकदम अलग। उसके बाद जो अपने 3-4 सीख वाले, सॉरी मेरे मुंह में बहुत पानी आ गया, बट या सो बोरिंग वाला इज द वन यूर आई मिस, बट द ट्रूथ इज दैट आई नो right now food for me has become something that is just nutrition. I only enjoy one meal in a day, the other two have to be diet oriented, so I don't really miss it, I'll not lie. My stomach can't handle it during iftar. Agar main heavy cheeze khaunga na to mera pet, because I'm not eaten for so many years heavy iftars, I can't. I really like my Ramzan, man. I don't complain. I like this. I like eating scrambled egg whites and just dates and then working out, because I'm getting a lot done here. मेरे को अच्छा लगता है honestly.
Okay, ईशा से कितनी बात होती है? Because lots of ईशा and कबीर fans are here, and कितनी बातें होती है ईशा से, and how much you miss her?
बहुत कम होती है. The truth is बहुत कम होती है. She's very busy right now. I'm in my own world. She's in her own world. I miss working with her terribly. When I see VMs, I really miss creating art with her. You know, where being in that. Yeah, honestly, I'm telling you guys, it's not about. If बहुत सारा मालूम आरती एडिट पे कट जाता था बहुत सारा.
हाँ.
बोल रहा हूँ, हकीकत में बोल रहा हूँ, the stuff me and her did in terms of just creating art, and she is excellent. She's, you know, I didn't know, so I'll tell you this, I told her this. The first 6 months, a lot of people tell me now that they remind me that, you know, I've improved a lot. Start mein main itna acha nahi tha, and then later on I improved, which is true, which is completely true. But I didn't know this, because मेरे को show देखने का time नहीं मिलता था पहले 6 महीना, so I didn't know how good Isha was doing. And then finally,
You just went with the flow.
Yeah, as I said, I'm not acting to see what comes out on screen. I'm acting for that feeling I get when I'm there. That liberating feeling of just creating. It's brilliant, man. I'm telling you. So anyways, I didn't know. And then when I switched on the TV 6 months later, I said, Isha's bloody good. And then we just kept creating. So I really miss that. Like, I miss working with that girl, you know. I miss... and secondly, she, honestly... There's a bhabhi of mine, Amna. There is a cousin sister of mine, Naila. These two women, according to me, before I met Isha, were the best women I've ever met in my life. Amna is one of the most... Aarti, agar tu meri bhabhi se milegi na, Amna, her name is, in terms of patience, she's the most patient woman I have ever seen. She is one of the best listeners I've seen. I have never seen women like that. And Naila, in terms of the personality. Isha has a combination of both. She has a bit of Amna in her. So I watched this girl. I said, this girl is different. She doesn't party. She's the kind of girl that likes sitting in a balcony for 1 hour and staring out at the moon. I find that insane. I love it, man. I love it. I love someone who has the balls in today's world, in 2020, to be a star, a literal star, and just sit out in your balcony and not be on Instagram and not be out partying and not be needing to drink. But instead, all is just sitting in a balcony and staring out at the moon or talking to her mother, or oldies. She loves oldies and shit like that. So I love the person she is. I think she is a phenomenal human being. I am so blessed I met her. I'm so blessed I met VG. I count my stars. I'm very lucky. Basically, this lockdown has made me realize how lucky I am. So yeah, I'm very.
So post lockdown, which will be the first thing that you will be doing? बाहर जाने की आजादी मिल जाएगी. Yeah. So what will be the first thing?
What would you do? I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know how to answer this question.
I want to cover shoots. I stay at Gudbandar Road, so I am like, भैया Mira Road के नायगांव के shoot चालू करा दो.
Really? Wow, man. That is amazing. That is so amazing. You love your work so much.
I don't feel like sitting in office is me. I love exploring sets पे जाना, and मतलब since 11 years I have been doing this. So I love visiting sets and story निकालना and आर्टिस्टों के साथ 2-2 घंटे गप्पे मारना.
नहीं, that's amazing, यार. That is amazing. You love your work so much. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to straight as soon as thing finish. I don't want to straight go back into shoot. I'll not lie. One of my, inshallah, I'm putting it out in the universe, law of attraction, that I finish my script by the time the lockdown is done, and then I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go
Yeah.
eat. I'm gonna take 3 days and I'm gonna pick 3 restaurants. Each single day I'm gonna only eat one restaurant. पूरा दिन भूखा रहूंगा. So एक है श्री ठक्कर भोजनालय, गुजराती थाली. I'm going to go there and stuff my face with ghee.
श्रीजी, this अंधेरी लोखंड वाला, ये जो हाँ ओशीवारा के पास जो है.
नहीं. श्री ठक्कर भोजनालय is in town. It's a Gujarati thali place. It is.
Okay,
I will put bet money. मैं पैसे लगा. उससे बेहतर गुजराती थाली तेरे को नहीं मिलेगी. मैं गुजरात जाके उन लोग के फेमस गुजराती थाली से खाया हूँ. एक बहुत बड़ा चेन था.
हाँ.
Were you there with me? No.
No, I wasn't there.
So in Gujarat, I had local thali from restaurant chain which is very famous, amazing. Bombay wala Shri Thakkar Bhojanalaya is better. I promise you, man. It is phenomenal. So I'm going to go have that. Then I'm going to have Chinese food. I love Chinese food. House of Mandarin, close by. I love it. I even know what I'm going to order. And then third, I'll take mom to Delhi Zaika. Mom loves Delhi Zaika.
Yeah.
Delhi Zaika. 3, I'm going to eat. I'm a foodie. And I just want
So
to...
you only dream of food ना, कि मतलब आप इतना खाने की बात आप जितना मैं अवॉइड कर रही हूँ खाने की टॉपिक को, you are too much going to that.
I know you've been so sweet. I can see it. I can really see you're not going there. I generally don't spend much time thinking about food because I've come to the realization that food, which is sometimes not good, is that food is a means to get my body into shape. It stopped being a way of taste for me. ईशा, मैं और ईशा जब हमेशा लंच ब्रेक में खाना शेयर करते थे कभी कभार ना, तो she would always tell me stuff like मुझे तलब हो रही है ये खाने की, and मैं रोज देखता था कि ये लड़की रोज कोई अलग तलब लेके आती है, and मेरे पास कोई तलब नहीं है. हाँ, तुम मेरे को पूछ के what would you like to eat Chinese food, but ऐसा नहीं कि तलब के आज मुझे डोसा खाना है, आज मुझे खिचड़ी खाना है, आज मुझे, मेरे को कोई तलब नहीं है. I have none of that stuff. So for me, food unfortunately has become that. I still love it. I'm a foodie by nature, but I love it, but on my rare moments. So I'm going to go eat after this is done. And maybe I'm going to go to mountains. Yeah, I feel like going to the mountains. I feel like breathing some cold air. मेरे को पता नहीं. I
Manali?
No, not Manali. So I'll tell you what. मेरा original plan था जब भी ये show इंशाल्लाह खत्म होगा मेरे लिए. I'm going to go to the mountains and just do nothing for 1 month. I really like mountains. There's something about mountains that make me feel like it's my home. Trees. I love trees and forests. So I just wanted to go into that zone of not do anything. पुराने movies देखो. मतलब अभी ये इधर तो network cable नहीं आया ना mountain में. तो पुरानी movies. Go sit down with old people or just people and have tea and talk. You know, just like stop and take a breath for a second. I want to do that.
Yes,
so
and पहाड़ों की मैगी भी अलग होती है ना.
बहुत टेस्टी होती है यार, बहुत टेस्टी.
Okay, tell me.
Sorry, carry on.
Yes. Okay, ये बताओ मुझे कि आप एस अदनान हो, बट कबीर का जो स्टारडम मिला अदनान, ये लाइफ कितनी चेंज हुई? बिकॉज आपको सारी चीजें मतलब कहें कि लोग कई बार लोग स्ट्रगल करते हैं पैसे पाने के लिए, आपको सब चीज मिला हुआ था, दुबई से आप मुंबई आए एक्टिंग करने के लिए, बट जो ये स्टारडम मिला इसने आपको क्या फील कराया और हाउ डू यू टेक इट? बिकॉज इंडोनेशिया के इतने फैंस मैंने किसी लाइव में नहीं देखे जितने इस लाइव में हैं. एंड प्लीज उनको सलाम बोल दीजिए. दे हैव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग प्लीज सलाम बोल दीजिए, तो प्लीज सबको बोल दीजिए.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. I forgot how to say how are you in Indonesian. How do I say how are you guys? I'm so shocked to see you live, Adnan. No, this is Ayu Naboran kita Hamochan ala bener. I can't. Guys, how do you say how are you in Indonesian? I remember, यार आरती मेरे को याद था, मैं भूल गया. मेरी भी याददाश्त कमजोर हो रही है. No. Shit, I forgot. Isha would remember. But anyways, I forgot how to say how are you. So आरती, इंडोनेशिया में मैंने एक चीज खाई called martabak. मर्तबा।
वहां पे खाने की बात
अरे,
करो।
because the food there is incredible, Aarti. I'm not joking with you. Okay, obviously for me it was a culture shock because I spent 30
अरे यार
years. That's okay. So I spent 30 years eating all of that stuff. Aarti, look how martabak मैंने खाया.
हाँ
God, man, how are Indonesian people not fat? Their food is so rich. Martabak is like a fluffy pancake with Nutella and cream and
हाँ
आरती तू प्लीज एक बार चल मेरे साथ, तू प्लीज एक बार चल, तू समझेगी मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ उधर का खाना ये ने I love it. I think that's my second home. India and Indonesia and Dubai like have become home.
yeah
I love it. I love Indonesian people. I think they're the coolest people. I said this actually as a matter of fact before I got fans there, before I was even famous there. I was just a normal guy. I'd gone to Bali for the first time in my life. Bali and I went to Jakarta for a day. No, I didn't go to Jakarta. I went to Bali and I went to Gili, islands of Indonesia. And you know when I came back out of there and I went to Hong Kong. So I was in Bali, Gili, and then I went to Hong Kong for a couple of days. And I remember sitting down with my friends and I'm like, Indonesian people are really nice, aren't they? Like genuinely, there's something about maybe the air or what. They're just good people. They're good people. You know what I mean? So I love Indonesian people already on top of that. Who is saying light? क्या light? मेरी light कम है क्या?
आप पर्दा खोलोगे?
हाँ? Wait. Is that better? But that's coming from behind, ना? तो अच्छा नहीं होगा.
नहीं
Sorry.
बर्न हो रहा है उल्टा.
Sorry. Okay, so Indonesian people are one of the best, some of the best people I've met. Some of them, they're nice people, and I love Indonesia. And I love Indonesia. Man. I love it so much. My leg is shaking right now.
अरे हो जाएगा, वापस ट्रिप लगेंगी
इंशाल्लाह.
एंड अदनान मुझे ये बताइए आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ कैसी रही है? आर यू सिंगल और कमिटेड? और हाउ डू यू डील विद द न्यूज ऑफ कंट्रोवर्सीज कि अरे ये इनको डेट कर रहा है या फिर अरे खबर आ रही है इनकी, सो हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट? बट उससे पहले सिंगल और कमिटेड?
Right now I'm single. I'm single.
ओके
But I am the committed kind now in my life. I feel I value love too highly, so I'm very committed. What I do is, देख आरती मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. If I be very real with you right now, yeah. Someone being in my position where I'm somewhat famous, I have a good decent bank balance. I look all right. I can talk, so I get a lot of attention in my life, yeah. But I purposely choose to filter out that attention. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा ये मत समझना कि मैं सेंट हूँ और मेरे को वो चीज चाहिए ही नहीं. I don't want a social life. I don't want to be around people and parties and stuff like that. I definitely do. There's a lot of times I spend when I'm very lonely, where I have to remind myself why I'm doing this. But the thing is that I know that's a distraction right now for me. वो सब चीज का टाइम आएगा. I need to concentrate. I feel I don't have. I feel casually dating is a distraction.
Yeah.
I've done all of that. I've done that more than enough in my life in Dubai. I've dated my fair share of women. I've been around a lot of relationships, and I've done all of that. All of that. Right now, I feel I have time. Like I have this much time, and I have to use it wisely. So, of course, when the right person does come along, yeah, I'll definitely.
So now you are looking for one-time commitment.
I'm just looking for the right one. I'm not looking for any commitment. I'll know when. I don't know. Like,
How would you want your partner to be? Because there is something one can visualize, yeah, and how you are. So, how do you want your partner to be? How much understanding, or what qualities do you see?
only one. One is a prerequisite. One is a definite no-no, and that is the girl has to be nice. I need a good human being in my life. I don't need negativity around me. I don't need someone bad. I need someone compassionate. You don't have to be beautiful. Obviously, that would be an added advantage, but not a prerequisite. If you're a beautiful human being, I can just if you're a good human being, because because यार life में already देख हर जगह negativity everywhere I turn to I open Facebook it's negativity I open the news it's negativity you face a lot of negativity in the world but life is not so bad it's beautiful and you need someone who helps you who reminds you of that from time to time that life is bloody beautiful
Yeah, totally agree.
I don't देख मैं मेहनती हूँ मुझे पता है कि मैं जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ कर लूंगा मेरी मेहनत मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं तो लेके जाएगी ये नहीं कि मेरे सपने पूरे होंगे या नहीं बट मैं कहीं ना कहीं तो चाहूंगा मेरे को वो नहीं चाहिए I don't need someone to push me I'm highly motivated I'm extremely motivated I just need someone to not to like the little things you know like to enjoy the little things yeah I need someone to enjoy that because बड़े चीज तो सब enjoy
So, how do you reject proposals? किसी ने प्रपोज कर लिया बहुत शिद्दत से है बहुत प्यार करती है हाउ डू यू रिजेक्ट इट
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इतनी शिद्दत से कोई प्रपोज नहीं करता आजकल के जमाने में अनफॉर्चुनेटली आजकल का जमाना बहुत ज्यादा फॉरवर्ड हो चुका है इंस्टाग्राम स्नैपचैट की वजह से एंड इट समटाइम्स टिल्स इनटू लिटिल बिट ऑफ द क्रास साइड ऑफ थिंग्स सो वो शिद्दत वाला प्रपोजल तो है नहीं बट whenever something of that nature does come up, I generally tell them the truth that no, I'm sometimes I lie to them. I say that there's someone else in my life, and you know because I don't want to hurt someone's feelings. Like when you say you're not dating anyone and I don't want you, that means it's personal. Like I don't want you, but if I'm dating someone else, and that's the reason I don't want you, then you know if the person is like okay.
It sounds relevant.
हाँ तेरा भी एहतराम हो जाएगा थोड़ा आपका भी दिल इतना नहीं टूटेगा और या मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना है बस मुझे कोई ऐसा चाहिए जिंदगी में जो मेरा सपना समझे एंड बस इतना ही ये नेगेटिविटी बहुत
And when are you planning to get settled down or there is like
whenever it happens if it happens tomorrow well and good if it happens at 50 well and good if it doesn't happen till I die well and good I'll get a dog I'm just kidding mom if my mom's listening my mom's anti now because in strict Muslim households like my mom
because mom are the most concerned कि बेटा अब निकाह कर लो अब ले आओ बहू ले आओ so does it happen with
my
you
mom's not like that no my mom because my mom understands that she sees what I'm doing she sees the effort I'm putting she now understands that it's not a joke this guy's not doing this for fame or for that he's doing it for some other reason so she kind of understands it I told her when I settle down I'll do it when I settle down and I told you Adik जब भी होगा यार कोई लिमिट नहीं है अगर 50 साल की उम्र में भी मुझे प्यार मिला तो क्या होगा
हाँ वो तो प्यार की तो कोई उम्र नहीं होती है and many of them are connecting you with Isha so what would you say about that because show के टाइम पे भी बहुत खबरें आती थी and how do you react on this because I know I have seen you बहुत अच्छे दोस्तों I have known Isha रंग मतलब बहुत टाइम से so आपके क्या रिएक्शन होते हैं जब लोगों को कहा था कि अरे इनका ईशा और अदनान की जोड़ी आई एम अ फैन ऑफ एंड इनफैक्ट लोग लिख रहे हैं ईशा को आप प्रपोज कर दो या फिर ईशा के साथ जोड़ी बना लो हाउ डू
मैं क्यों प्रपोज करूं हाँ उसको बोलो प्रपोज करने को मेरे को मैं प्रपोज करूं नहीं
so if she propose you will you say yes to her
firstly I don't think she will propose I know her very well secondly I don't know what I would say I don't think so I think it would be we've gotten into a very delicate space in terms of who we are to each other she's as crazy or even crazier about the craft as I am maybe crazier about acting and both our goals are very different you know so I don't see it happening yes we can definitely play an on-screen couple again because we are very compatible we're very supportive she's an excellent actor so I don't know if Isha actually in reality proposes to me I can't even imagine that happening
I'm not getting the visualization of proposal actually. ऊपर वाला
but she's an amazing human being and but yeah if you want to know the truth I would like my partner to be a combination to have characteristics of these great women in my life you know there are a couple more that in terms of women, they're like 4 or 5. Believe it or not, Isha's mom is one of those women. I just love the way she conducts herself. Such a classy woman I have not seen. So classy. I really respect Isha's mom also a lot. So like, you know, there are certain qualities, yes, I would like my partner to have, which Isha has. Patience from Amna, the character of Naila, the fun part of Isha. You know, so different things. But I don't see Isha proposing to me. That's not happening. Yeah. My God.
अदनान, आपको जब गुस्सा आता है तो how do you control your anger और how do you manage?
रियल में बोल रही है या कबीर का पूछ रही है?
नहीं रियल में, कबीर का नहीं.
Yeah, this is a problem.
कबीर का राइटर देखता है.
Yeah, honestly, तूने, I don't know why you asked me this question, but yeah, as a matter of fact, I can't control my anger, and I've ended up doing and saying terrible things, which you will be shocked that this is Adnan saying all this. I am shocked.
Like?
I am living. I don't want to get into the details, but I've said things to people I'm not supposed to say at any given point in my life, no matter what. I've done things that you're not supposed to do. So I do have a definite anger issue. But the good news is that I've been, past 30 days, I've been reflecting on that a lot. And I'm trying to work around it. And I have got into a very good space from past 3-4 days. I'm writing down every time I get angry so that I understand why my emotional triggers are. Why do I... Because Aarti, सच बोलूं, मैं ऐसा हूं नहीं. जब मैं गुस्सा होता ना, तो जिस बुरी तरह से मैं तेरे से बात करूंगा ना, मैं ऐसा हूं नहीं. मुझे पता है. I know, you know yourself. You know if you have these thoughts going around. But the problem is that my way of dealing with it is so bad of anger that I don't say anything for a month. And then one day I'll just explode. And when I explode, I end up saying really rude things to you and really hurtful things to you. When as a matter of fact, I should have just told you in the start that, look, I don't like this, don't do that. So I have a very bad way. I don't know why you asked this question, but this has been one of my biggest issues as of last month.
I don't know. Someone has messaged me, ki, Aarti di, please ask him what is forgiveness to him. I don't know. I found this question weird. But किसी ने लिखा था SBS के पोस्ट पे कि please ask Adnan कि what is forgiveness to him.
Hold on, I think just 1 second, sorry.
हाँ.
Dominic, थोड़ा सा एक 2 मिनट मैं लाइव इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ. You do it. Yeah, go. I'll just. Aarti, I'm so sorry. I have to cut this short because मेरे AC में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. बंद कर दे बैठ. मेरे AC में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया. So my old really serviceman Dominic has come. He's the oldest person.
So before going up, इनको रमजान मुबारक बोल दो and just say them happy and salam, and because they love you and they are happiest today.
I am happy. तेरा smile, I am telling you, Aarti, whatever you're doing ना, meditate कर रही है, क्या कर रही है, मुझे पता नहीं, करते रहे. तू इतना glow कर रही है, तेरे को पता है? ट्यूबलाइट की तरह glow कर रही है. तू क्या खा रही है? बता ना मुझे यार.
मैं कुछ नहीं खा रही हूँ. मैं अभी आप चाट में दाल चावल खाऊंगी.
No, you're looking lovely.
And again we are on food topic.
मेरा पेट दर्द हो रहा है, तेरे को पता है? मैं बार-बार ऊपर देख रहा हूँ. नहीं, I'm just kidding. But you're glowing.
Sorry
amazing talking to you. No, please. It was amazing talking to you. I loved it. Out of a lot of the times, this is one of the most excited I've been. I know you personally, and I like you. So yeah, I love this conversation. But I'm so sorry, I have to go now. And yeah,
yes, thank you so much.
In सब सारे fans के लिए, guys, thank you for watching. For those of you who did join us, our conversation, I hope it was entertaining enough for you all. If it wasn't, bugger off. I don't care. I'm just kidding. And yeah. Have a great Ramzan. Please respect the rules that are there about lockdown के जो भी rules है. Guys, please थोड़ा ख्याल रखना because we've got family back home and we don't want anyone to get hurt. In the meantime, I want everyone to enjoy Ramzan, not only the Muslims, even the non-Muslims, because the idea behind it is actually pretty cool. You feel a little better. So have a great Ramzan and Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye, Aarti.
Thank you. Bye.
See you.
Ramzan Mubarak. And I will connect Eid के time पे.
Inshallah.
Yes.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye.
ये है एबीपी न्यूज, आपको रखे आगे।